Look at this. Release day. We got the Wonderbook, Book of Spells by J.K. Rowling. That's right, we got it. Very nice looking box, to say so. Required the Wonderbook, the Move controller, and the camera. PlayStation. Aye, PlayStation. Looks really nice. Found in Hogwarts Library, the Book of Spells allows you to master 20 spells from the world of Harry Potter. It says Luminous, Expelliarmus, and Vergonum Levioso. Levitate frogs, shrink pumpkins, and conjure fire. Read enchanting chapters filled with wizards and tales, magical creatures, unlock poems. Looks nice. You get trophies. Gotta do it. Pop. You. Pop. Ow. A little aggravating to get into, but it's all overall. There we go. Here is the game. Looks exactly like the box it was in. Disc. There seems to be an explanation of some move controls. There's